Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today I'll be showing you some new finds in the dollar spot at Target. You know I love this section, okay? They have all the good stuff right now. They have some stuff for if you are going to be celebrating the new year, you want to ring in 2025, right? They have some little wine glasses, some little party favors, all kinds of good stuff. And they also have lots of things that you can choose from if you're still shopping for gifts, whether it be for the holidays or maybe it's for a birthday. You might need a birthday gift, an anniversary gift, any type of thing, or you're just shopping for yourself, okay? Because we all love a good self-care moment. They definitely have some self-care items here. But yeah, you guys, they have lots to choose from. So I want you to vibe out, and I will check back in with you guys in just a few, or let you know whenever I see something that I just have to tell you about. I really also love the amount of LED signs that you can find in the stores these days to choose from. You used to have to order so much of that online, but they definitely have been having lots of options in store. And once again, one of my favorite things about the dollar spot in Target is the fact that things are $1, $3, and $5, okay? That is just so great for me. I just love it, and they always have good quality stuff in this section. It's not like everything is just cheaply made or poor quality just because of the price. No, you guys, make sure you stop in and check out this stuff. I'm sure at this point, especially if you've been watching my channel, you're probably all in the dollar spot and you know that they have good deals. But you know, maybe you're new to this, okay? Maybe you're new to actually paying attention to what's in the dollar spot. If so, stop in there, check out, you know, the quality, okay? Because it's definitely giving great quality. And look how cute this sandwich maker is, okay? They always have, well, sandwich cutter, not sandwich maker. But yeah, they always have such cute stuff, and they also have lots of options for like the whole family, okay? There's stuff for the kids in there, there's stuff for the grown-ups, parents, the teens, something for everybody in that dollar spot, okay? Or let me know, comment down below, do you all call it just the dollar spot, or do you usually call it like the bullseye playground? Because, you know, some people refer to it as both, but yeah, what's your preference, okay? Or is it usually just the dollar spot for you? Let me know down below. I also really think that you guys will enjoy this tumbler accessory kit. So, you know, if you have any type of tumbler, whether it be a Stanley or any other type, those are really cute. They have a little thing for your straw and little bags and stuff to put on the side of them. So yeah, I feel like that's a great find. So you guys, we are reaching the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at what's in the dollar spot right now. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Hit that little bell notification so you're notified when I upload a video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who you think would love to see it. I'll see you next time. Bye.